Welcome to Learning with UNP. In the session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we are going to explore the Power BI Query Editor Graphical User Interface or GUI. This includes understanding how to navigate through the query editor interface and finally understanding the various tabs available. When we click on Power BI icon, Power BI desktop will be opened. When we click on Transform Data in the Home tab, we will be redirected to Power Query Editor. Let me begin by giving you the definition of the Power BI Query Editor. The Query Editor or Power Query Editor is where you clean, shape, and transform your data. It's a powerful tool that helps you prepare your data for analysis. At the top of the interface, you will find the ribbon. This area includes tabs like Home, Transform, Add Column, View, Tools, and Help, each containing tools to help you manipulate your data. Let's see how these tabs can be used. Home tab. Here, you can manage your queries, load the data, and access basic transformations like removing columns or filtering rows. Transform tab. This tab provides tools for more detailed data transformations, such as changing data type, splitting columns, and pivoting or unpivoting data. Add column tab. We can use this tab to create new columns based on the calculations or transformations of existing data. View tab. This tab allows you to customize the view of your data, including options for zooming and displaying column names. Tools tab. This tab has few options, including query diagnostics, which lets you understand what operations are being performed in a query. Help tab. If you need assistance, use the Help tab or check out Power BI's online resources for tutorials and support. For common issues, the Power BI community forums and help guides are great resources. On the left side, you will see the queries pane. This pane lists out all the queries you have for your data sources. You can select a query here to view and edit its data. In the center, you will find the data preview area. This section shows a preview of the data from the selected query, allowing you to interact with your data directly. On the right side, we will have Applied Steps pane. This pane shows the sequence of steps you have applied to your query. Each step reflects a transformation or change made to your data. You can click on any step to review or modify it. If you need to make changes, you can remove or reorder steps in this pane. Since we have no data loaded, it is showing nothing in the queries pane, data preview area, and applied steps pane. While we are working with the data, we can apply transformations using the tools in the transform tab to clean and reshape your data. For example, you can remove unwanted columns, filter out irrelevant rows, and split columns into multiple parts. In the Add Column tab, you can create new columns based on calculations or formulas to enrich your data. Once you have transformed your data, click on Close and Apply in the Home tab to save your changes and load the data into Power BI Desktop. If your data changes, you can refresh it in the Power BI Desktop to apply new transformations you have made in the query editor. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.